Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Laravel e-commerce project tutorial for beginner. So in this tutorial, we're going to show the user the total price of the product that the customer added to their cart. So over here, we're going to show the total price of those products. So for it, let's go back to our code and we'll go to our mycart.blade.php and here you can see for each $cart as $cart. So before that, we're going to write some PHP code. So for it, we need to give this arrow sign, then question mark, then we'll say here PHP, then it will in over here like this, PHP in like this. So here inside this PHP, let me just declare a variable, let's say $hello equal to, it will be 0. And after it, we'll go down and here you can see the for each loop ended over here. So before that, let me just write one more PHP opening and we'll also close this PHP, and after this we are going to set here hello equal to, and here you can see this hello. Okay, $hello equal to, it will be $hello. The value for this is 0. So after this we give a plus sign. Then over here you can see you are getting the product price. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. So for this window is, first of all, it will get the product price from here and add it with 0. So the first product value is over here 240. So the value for this variable will be 240. Then for the second product, the value is 888. So it will add 888 with 240. This way we get the total value or total price of the product that the customer added to their cart. So after this, we need to print this value, right? So here after this div, the table ended on here. After this div, we're going to give another div here. Then inside this div, let's mention h3 tag. And inside this h3, we're going to say total value of cart is, and we're going to print this value. So we'll give two second bracket here, and we're going to say here $value. And before this, let's keep this $sign. Let's set this, and right now if we refresh, there you can see we are able to see the total value over here, which is 1378. Let me remove this product from here. If I now click on remove, there you can see the value changes over here. So let's just keep it in the center. So for it, let's go back to the code and inside this tip, let's say here class, and the class will be car underscore, let's say value. Let's send this, let's go at the top, and in the style, we're going to say car underscore value, and we'll give to second bracket. Let's say here text align, it will be center. Let's say margin bottom, it will be 70 px, and let's also add some padding. Let's say padding will be 18 px. Save it. Let's go back to the browser, then let's refresh, and there you can see total value of cart is 459 like this. So let's go and add some more products, and we go down. Let's add this one, click on add to cart, and there you can see product added to the cart. Let's go to our cart and we are able to see different value. If we just log out from here and log in as a different user, let's say this time we'll log in as Yamin. Let's keep the password here. Let's click login. Then let's go to our cart. There you can see we are seeing different value. So this is how we can show the total value of the cart in Laravel. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.